everybody. Sorry about the camera. Welcome to my modern homestead. Pardon, my hat is wanting to flop in my eye. Y'all, this morning I had to run to the bank, and when I got back I came out to let out the dog and the chickens. And when I do, look at this, I buy the peas. And y'all, we were so worried we weren't going to get peas because we're having a really strange warm streak this year. But when I was walking by, look, y'all, hold on, let me show you. Can y'all see? We've got peas out here, and some of them are ready to be picked. So what I'm going to do is I just threw lunch into the oven, so I'm going to pick a few, as many as I can, until that's done. This is so exciting because if you know anything about sweet peas, once it warms up, you're done. You're not getting any more peas unless it's just a really quick cool snap. I mean, warm snap and it cools right back down. So I'm super excited. Millie, out! This dang dog, y'all. She's gonna drive me insane. No. Stay. Millie, sit. Stay. Well, y'all, upon closer look, most of them are not ready. There were a few on these outside bushes that are nice and plump, but most of them still need a day or so to grow. But let me show you, y'all. These are so good right off of the bush. Let me get y'all situated. So what you do is just pop them open just like that. And look, y'all. Perfect, beautiful peas. And they are so delicious. Quit, Millie. We just take these right out of the garden. Y'all. They're so nutty. So good. So we're going to give these a couple more days. We'll just eat these few that I picked today. And then we'll come back out here. We'll harvest the rest that we can and put them in the freezer for later on in the year. Peas are one of my favorites.